In today's video, we're going to talk about how you convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. Remember, a mixed number has two parts. It has a whole number and a proper fraction. So the steps to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction is we're going to multiply our denominator by the whole number first. Take that result and add to it our numerator. That number will go over our existing denominator and you will have an improper fraction. So let's walk through these four examples here. Example 1, 3 1/4. First thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply 3 times 4, which is 12. Then we're going to add the 1 to get 13. 13 goes over our denominator of 4, so 13/4 is our improper fraction. Second example, 2 3/5. We multiply 2 times 5 and we get 10. We add the 3 and that gives us 13 over 5. Third example, 10 4/5. First step is to multiply. 10 times 5 is 50. We add 4. That is 54 over 5. Last example, 7 2/9. We first multiply 9 times 7. We get 63 and we add 2. So our improper fraction is 65 over 9. So now that we've been through 4 examples, I have one here for you to work out on your own. Convert 6 1/8 to an improper fraction. Leave me your answer in the comments. Good luck. If you want to see more math help videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And check out my website at improvemath.com to download your free printable worksheet. Thanks for watching.